Hey you guys, what is up? Hey girl, hey, it is your girl Tash and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, you guys, we're going to be jumping into a brand spanking new palette and lip color by one of my personal favorite brands since I was a teenager, LA Colors. So if you're curious to see what brand new product I'm referring to, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so starting off, I already have primer and everything on my face. I want to go ahead and introduce this new palette to you guys because these just recently launched, literally like a couple of days ago. And as soon as they launched, I went on ahead and picked them up because you guys already know that I love the other LA Colors palettes. If you have no idea what I'm talking about and you're new here, I will link them right here in a video for you if you want to check them out later or before checking out this video. So this one just recently launched. This is the LA Colors Nude Muse palette. It is an 18 shade palette, and that's kind of what it looks like. Really beautiful packaging. It's a really hard plastic, and again, it does have 18 shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you guys. And it does have a large mirror here and then plastic over it. So let me get the plastic off. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and took the plastic off. Now I'm going to go ahead and keep this on my mirror because it does have the shade names on it, which is kind of a bummer that they're not on the palettes. They did an amazing job with these palettes, you guys. I think that the packaging is gorgeous. My biggest thing is I just hope that this formula matches the formula from the previous set of palettes, which I mean like the Neon Shock palettes. Let's see. I have one up here. I may have actually put it away. Alright you guys, so here are the shades in this palette. They're just really warm, and so I thought it would match my shirt. I want to try out the formula, but before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and insert some swatches for you guys. Alright you guys, so here are the 18 swatches of all of the shades in the palette. Hopefully you guys can see that last shimmer here. These are stunning. They're beautiful. Everything is really soft. I'm very curious to see how they perform on the eyes. A few of the mattes I did have to swatch twice, but to me that's standard with a lot of palettes, so I'm not really gonna say that it's a bad palette based off of swatches. Let's see how they perform on the eyes. Alright you guys, so if you are new here and do not know, I am trying to pan some of my makeup. So I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, if it's still any good, to conceal my eyes. And I'm going to use that as my eyeshadow primer. Also, I do want to mention to you guys, there are 3 total palettes in this collection. I will be showing them to you guys. You should have already seen them in a haul. If you have not seen that video, please go check it out here. But I just wanted to let you guys know these are $9. The previous palettes that I mentioned to you guys all the time were $8.50. And they actually had more than 18 shades in them. But these are pretty. So I'm really curious to see how the formula is. If it's just as good, if it's better. I'm really excited. You guys know I love LA Colors. My only thing is that I really wish that they were more accessible in the store. Like I'm like everybody else. I don't want to order online. I mean, I love ordering online, but I'm very impatient and I don't like to wait. So I would prefer to be able to go pick these up in store. Now, I don't know why, but to me, LA Color is big enough now. They should just open stores all over the US. They're huge. They would do very well. Alright, you guys, I'm going to let that sit for a second. Then I'm going to go in and set it with the shade Sweet Air, which is this guy right here. Wow, so what I'm noticing in this pan is there's not a lot of kick up in that shade. Very nice. You guys, if my face looks weird, I'm sorry. It's because I already have my face primers on, and generally I wait to put them on. So I'm going to go in with my favorite eyeshadow brush here. This is by Delium. I talked to you guys about them quite a bit actually, but I love this brush. Alright, so I'm going to go into the shade. Let's see. We're going to start out with Savannah and then Dune. So Savannah, Savannah here and Dune. Did y'all see that pigment, or am I tripping? Y'all, this matte though, pigmented. you guys, so my eyes are done. All I did was apply 2 of the shades that I applied in the crease down on my lower lash line and kind of smoked it out a little bit. So far, so good. But let's go ahead and move on to the lip product. So I pulled out a bunch of lip liners from my collection that I feel like would match. This is the LA Colors Velvet Plush. I don't know if it's a liquid lipstick. Creamy lip color. So LA Colors Velvet Plush Creamy Lip Color. Now this comes in 8 shades. These are $3.50. I love how affordable LA Colors is and that they've really stepped up their game over the years and they're starting to create quality products. So, not to say that their products were crap back in the day, because to me they weren't, but they had some hits and a lot of misses. So, this is the Velvet Plush Creamy Lip Color. It is an innovative, soft and silky formula that creates a beautiful semi-matte and velvet cushion-like finish. The pigmented and non-drying formula is dreamy and long wearing. So again, these do come in 8 shades. I got mine in Teddy, which I thought was really, really pretty. It's just a pretty nude. So it does have a flat applicator, meaning you're probably only going to have to dip in once. Now I have swatched this. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. It is pretty pigmented. It seems like a kind of thick formula when you swipe it on, but I think it's going to be really comfortable on the lips. So I'm going to line up my lips. I'll be right back and we're going to apply it together. All right, you guys, so you can take any nude lip liner that you have in your collection to line your lips, or a darker shade if you like, whatever you like. And then here we go. Okay, you guys gotta come in for the top lip because this bad boy is full coverage. So beautiful. I'm horrible at doing my top lip, especially on camera. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it gives you guys an idea. This stuff is full coverage. I mean, I'm talking one swipe. I'm going to do it again, just so you guys can see. $3.50. And it is super comfortable and lightweight on the lips. It doesn't feel as heavy and thick of a formula as I thought it was going to. I got to do my lip test thing. Hold up. Yeah, I think it's a really pretty lip color for $3.50. You really cannot beat that. I don't know many brands that make quality lip products like this at a super inexpensive cost, besides maybe Jordana, AOA Studio. Okay, yes I do, but still, clean color. But this is really good. I definitely have to get some more colors. I'm gonna be weeding out some of my lip drawer just because you guys saw that I was working on panning makeup and things like that. And a lot of my lip products are getting really old where I'm actually afraid to put them on my lips. So that just means we need to do some shopping. Okay, you guys, so let's get back to the palette. Again, this is the LA Colors Nude Muse palette. I will say, it may not be for everybody, but I do think that the formula is nice. And there is some kick up on certain shades and whatnot. But, I mean, to me, there's kick up on almost every eyeshadow palette that I have in my collection. Even the high-end ones have kick up. I don't think that it's a ton. There are a few shades in here that you do need to build up, such as this one right here that I used on my lid today. And it just comes off as a more sheer wash of color, which I really did not mind building it up. If you guys can see that, but it's pretty sheer. All I did was I wet my eyeshadow brush and I was able to really pack that color on there, and it comes out to be more opaque. The rest of the shades that I played with, and I did play with more than what's on my eye, I think that they're really good. They're nicely pigmented. Again, there is fallout, so if that's a game changer for you, well, you won't like it. But if you don't mind a little bit of fallout, I think you would love the palette, especially if you're looking for this type of shade range, you're looking for affordable eyeshadows. I'm really, really happy with this, and I think I'm going to be happy with the other two as well. To see those other two, you guys will have to stay tuned and continue to follow my channel. So if you are new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that before you leave today, you will hit that subscribe button and the bell. That way you're notified each time I upload. I just want to say thank you to you guys, as always, for taking time out of your busy days to come hang out with me. It completely just blows my mind that there are so many of you that continue to click on every video and show support and love. You guys are so awesome. Thank you guys so, so much. I want to make a few announcements, so I hope that you'll stay tuned to the end of the video. Number one, I did just lower all the prices on my merch in case you missed the community post. That way everybody could, it would be more affordable for everybody to be able to own a piece of merch. There were a lot of you who asked me in the beginning like, hey girl, you gonna come out with merch? Hey girl, hey. I have launched that in case some of you haven't seen thus far. I have hoodies, t-shirts, face mask. I'm trying to think of what else I have. Oh, coffee mugs. And I'm actually working on a new design with my brother who does design, and he's really, really good at it. So I'm really excited to see what we come up with together. I also want to mention and let you guys know there is still a very big giveaway going on. I have everything packed up for the giveaway. I'm ready to ship it. We just need to grow a little bit more. Also, we do have some new things coming up on my channel that are not makeup related, but they are still beauty related. So I hope that you guys will stay tuned and check that out. I hope you guys are staying safe out there and having an amazing day wherever you are. I love you guys so, so much. Don't forget to check out the haul video. It is actually going up next. See you guys in the next one. Bye.